this is Natalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the Winnersdrawing for the Boho Summer Challenge. That is a collaboration between Suzanne from NonstopPapercrafts and myself from LineDotArrow. We both created a few pages. I created 5, Suzanne created 6 pages. You could download the free papers in both our Facebook groups. So together with both groups combined, you would have 11 pages. And the assignment was to create something with those papers, post in the Facebook groups using the hashtag Boho Summer Challenge, and then your name will be in the name picker wheel 1 time. And we are both spinning 3 times. I think Suzanne already did her winner's drawing, but I was out today, so I'm rather late recording it. So if you want to know if you win in her drawing, you have to watch NonstopPapercrafts. I will also, she did post her video in LineDotArrow, so you can check out her video on YouTube. So in her group, you already know the winners, but in LineDotArrow, I haven't done the drawing yet. I'm going to do that now. But I also have something exciting to tell you, because I created this journal for the Boho Summer Challenge project I made. I made a cover from pieces of very boho type fabrics, and most of it I did on camera, and also have papers inside. I have a flip through video of this one, but I'm just going through it real quick so you know what I'm talking about. I did a combination of Suzanne's papers and mine, and I also added a few papers from Boho Summer. That is a collaboration we did together in 2023. There's a little envelope in here too. So these are from that kit, but all the little elements are from the free papers Suzanne made, and I made. This is also from the previous kit. This is also from that kit, and I added dictionary papers. Different elements. We did Boho Summer Collab, and we did the Final Days of Summer. I have not used any papers from the Final Days of Summer. I used a few from the Boho Collab we did in 2023. And that's basically what's in this journal. So you have 2 signatures, and you can take out the papers, and there is a handkerchief that goes so well with all the other elements, and then pocket from Suzanne's papers. I just need to cut off a few strings because they are too long. And you could even glue these together and make a side tuck over here, or a top pocket, top loading pocket. That's possible too. You can also leave it like this and do some embellishment on here or some inking. And the same goes for the front side. I didn't glue these down, I didn't ink these, I left them as they are. You can also take out this piece and even cover this piece with it. Everything is possible, and I'm saying this because this journal can be yours. I'm giving away this journal, but I want to give it away to people from the Facebook group that joined in with the challenge. And how am I able to tackle that? Well, that's going to be difficult, but I'm going to try. I know that people joined in the challenge watch this video for the giveaway. And I also know that people that are in a Facebook group use a different account name than they use when they post on YouTube, because not everybody has the same name. My YouTube channel is LineDotArrow, but my private my private account is obviously not LineDotArrow. So if I would comment on a YouTube channel, it would be with LineDotArrow. So to make sure you are a member of LineDotArrow Facebook group, I will check all the entries that you will do. Oh, I have to explain how to enter. Sorry. I completely forgot. Okay. How to enter? Well, you have to like this video, leave a comment down below this video, with the hashtag Boho Summer Challenge giveaway. You need to tell me why you need to win this journal, or why you want to win this journal, and also what your name is as a member in Line.Arrow. So you say, for instance, if I would comment, I would post hashtag Boho Summer Challenge giveaway. I would like to win this journal because I'm absolutely a big fan of boho style. My name in the Facebook group is Natalie Heine. Thank you for considering me as a possible winner. Anything. So please, if you want to win this journal, use the hashtag. Tell me why you want to win it. And also tell me your name. You are registered. Difficult word. You are a member with Line.Arrow. This is not about being a member in NonstopPapercrafts. You can be a member in NonstopPapercrafts, but that's not what I'm checking. I'm only checking members in Line.Arrow. I want this to be a group prize for Line.Arrow members. I hope it's clear. So do not post anything, an entry in the Facebook group. Just post underneath this video using the hashtag Boho Summer Challenge giveaway, why you want to have this journal, and what your account name is being a member in Line.Arrow. Because like I explained, some people have different YouTube channel names, and it's hard for me to recognize. If you don't tell me who you are in the Line.Arrow Facebook group, if you forget, I can't send you the prize because I can't check. I'm really sorry about that, but I have to be strict. You already saw this journal in the flip through. In case you missed it, I will link it down below. But you can win this. And now I'm off to do the winner's drawing, of course, for the Boho Summer Challenge. I'm going to spin 3 times, and I will see you in a bit. So here we are with the wheel, and I'm going to spin 3 times. And here we go. The first prize is Annalisa. Congratulations, Annalisa. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. And I'm going to spin for the second prize. Not the second prize, the second spin for the second prize I'm going to give away. Because it's all 1 kit per prize. And that one goes to Rolanda Linder. Congratulations, Rolanda. Going to remove you completely from the wheel too. And now I'm going to spin. Congratulations, you won a kit from Line.Arrow too. So if you're a winner, contact me via my Etsy store contact seller button. Tell me which kit you want and I will send it to you in the next 2-3 upcoming days. So this was the winner's drawing for the Boho Summer Challenge collaboration I did together for a week together with Suzanne from NonstopPapercrafts. And Suzanne, thank you so much for doing this with me. We usually do a big, huge collaboration with 2 full-size kits and have weekly challenges and winner's drawings with more prizes and have design team members and other groups working together with us. But this was just, a free little element to do together with the groups. And I have to say, I did like it. I did like creating the kit, the smaller kit, having a short period with the challenges. I loved creating this little boho journal. And thank you so much for doing this together with me. And I also want to thank all the members in the NonstopPapercrafts Facebook group who jumped in together with the LineDotArrow members doing the challenges because we had a lot of entries. So thanks everybody for joining in. Congratulations to the winners. And if you want to receive this journal, sorry, the sound is on. I'm so sorry. I'm just going to switch it off. That was my phone. But if you want to be a winner of this journal, make sure you take all the right steps. Comment down below this video with the right hashtag Boho Summer Challenge giveaway. Tell me why you want to win it. And third, also the name that I know you from as a member in LineDotArrow. So your name you are in, you use as a member in LineDotArrow. And you have until Sunday, 10th of August to apply to be entered in this drawing. And I will do the drawing on Tuesday, August 12th. So you have a whole week to enter. I'm very excited to ship this off to a new owner. And like I said, if you want to be that one, do all the steps. And if you're not sure what's in the journal completely, if you want to see the full flip through, make sure you watch the video that I linked down below. But there is also a video creating this. And also make sure you check out Suzanne's videos because she had a little travel wallet to make from the free papers, and that was fun too. My goal was to make that too, but I had a really weird week last week and I didn't feel well also, so I was able to finish this journal, but that was basically what I did. But I did include her papers in here too, of course. So this is it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment just to tell me that you like the video, but also leave a comment if you want to win the journal. And I hope to see you the next time. Stay safe, stay safe, stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.